85, 9 billion, yeah, they are allowed. Yeah, could you please? Yeah, job opportunity. If you learn Salesforce, so you can get a job in this technology, Salesforce itself, Salesforce.com. Yeah, it is they are a product company. Sales, it's a it's a Salesforce.com. It's a product company, Salesforce itself. If you learn Salesforce, so you may get a job in a Salesforce company. At Exchange company, this is also a product of Salesforce. You can also get a job in consulting. Right now, I am a consultant, work as a consultant in my company. And companies that use Salesforce. There are many companies that use Deloitte. Right now, I have been working in Deloitte. You know, it's a, you can search. Ponga, Spotify, companies. Customer success. Yeah, it's a same kind of sales cloud, service cloud means if you want to make a successful deal with your customer, so it depends on the company which cloud they are going to and select. So please move. Please divide. I want to see here.
Sunday off है बेटा.
You can see bankers here. So if you use Salesforce, you are there will become like. So yeah. Salesforce. Here you can see the name of all company. They are using Salesforce. You find Spotify, NBC. Yeah, I work NBC. You know, it's a channel of US media client. So my previous project was for them and they use. So Accenture, it's also big company. eBay, Facebook, and Google. Ponga, I also work for Ponga. And Amazon, it's also a few names, but all big company almost use Salesforce. So if you learn Salesforce, your career is going to bright. Yeah, please change. More than learning skill. Learn technology or business skills. Yeah, these are the technology things please know. Opportunities. Learn Salesforce through Salesforce Thailand. Networking opportunity, join user group. There are many things. You know, there are many communities and that. So if you are stuck, if let's say you are working in any company, if you are stuck, no one is helping you, there is a challenge, sometimes we face challenge, so you can ask question on community. So community is all over the world and who is a part of this community, they can provide you answers. So this kind of thing, please. Yeah, I just told you we can learn Salesforce theory, so this is get sign up Salesforce developer account. So that's how I learn Salesforce. Created Talent account, log into the Talent community. Yeah. Salesforce Talent account. Notice this. Yeah. Move please. So you just have. You just have to search Thailand account, so there will be open a page. You can create your freelance developer account, and they will provide you a platform. You can learn and develop your cloud software. Please move. Sign up for the Salesforce here. That's how you can create your account, and there is a step-by-step process. You can learn anything. Yeah, please move. Create a Talent account, yeah, this is log in into Salesforce community, yeah, this is the link. If you want to join any community, so you can join. Sign up for Talent community, yeah, they are the community now. Start managing your, in Thailand. if you learn a lot and a lot, you will be a super. You will get super badges and you will get a point. If you mention in your resume, you will easily get a job. Means interviewer will get a. Why are you laughing? Oh, that's it. So if you mention this thing in your resume, interviewer will get easily idea. Yeah, he knows very well Salesforce. That's why he earned a lot of points and things. So learning also help you a lot. This question. Do you have any question?
Beta, those are questions
I have
we
a
can
question.
ask.
Can you tell me your qualification?
Yes, please be serious about it, है ना? This is question answer.
Yeah, my high. First, could you please arrange over this? So my highest qualification is MCA, Master of Computer.
From where did you complete?
From?
From where?
Yeah, I completed Gurgaon Sector 9 Government PG College.
Who told you about this? Who inspired you about this?
Who inspired you? So no one inspired me. I got a chance as a interview, so I went that company. I just gave my test and I was clear as a internship. So my journey starts since then.
And what post you are?
Consultant. My work is a developer software.
Which technology do you use in your office?
Yeah, we use separate Salesforce technology. Salesforce provide own technology, but you must have knowledge about OOPS, Java, OOPS.
You mentioned some names of the companies. So how many years of experience you have?
How many years of experience? So I have 4 years experience in my.
CNB, you have been working with that.
CRM.
No. I think that was
CNB.
American News
Yeah.
Channel was. What was it?
I work, there is
CNB.
NBC.
NBC.
NBC it's a media client. So there is a
So
policy.
you are working in Salesforce since 4 years
Yeah.
in the same company.
Same.
So you are
No,
consultant.
I just moved in a different company.
Okay. Which?
Garrett.
That is.
Garrett. You know?
If I want to join Salesforce, so what kind of thing do I know? Like I
need to learn.
I have to knowledge of DSA.
But if you are going in any company, you are a fresher. They will ask you question about OOPS technology, programming. So there you will get a question about in which you are good. If you are good in Java and Python, so they will ask question from that. If you are selected, then your Salesforce journey will be good.
How much brand in India this company?
How much brand?
Like
Okay.
How much company they use? Yeah, there is a name V-Guard. You can search. V-Guard is a Indian client. They also V-Guard is a big company. They create electronic things, easy kind of solar things, whatever. They are bad. So they are using Salesforce.
Okay, I want to join this company. Can you give me reference?
Yeah, if I remember, like
What is the
suppose-
main purpose of referral? Means if you will give me referral, so they will shortlist me. They will prefer me other candidates.
No, first, what can I? If I am working in any company, it doesn't matter in which company. So there is a system, portal system. There is a options of referral. So I can provide referral anyone. So if you are selected, so I will get a few amount. So that's also good. So but you have to share your resume. If you are not qualified for that post, so no one can do here anything, because in referral you will get a job, but you will not stay long time.
I'm just asking like means referral. If you are providing referral means so referral will
They-
support me in future or that time.
No.
Because I have heard most of times like if someone giving me reference, so I will be shortlisted or preferred first other candidate.
No, and that's totally wrong. If you, let's say I give you a referral, you know, so they will judge they will see your first resume, and if you are qualified, then they will conduct an interview. If you clear interview, then they will, yeah, referral doesn't work in a company.
Are these services free?
If you are working in a startup company, maybe it works over there, but not in a big company.
Are these services free or paid?
And this service, yeah, sir. I just show you Salesforce earning 4 billion like a lot of money. So of course they charge monthly per user wise.
Any other question?
Thanks.
You can ask any person question.
No. Clap for it.